Let's open the web browser. Log into the web admin portal. So we go to Start, Administrative Service, check the license. So we are still within the trial period, so I just leave it as it is. Go to Start, Administrative Service, Email Service. This setting is required in order to get the system to send email notification from web portal. Okay, test pass. Now we go to this administrative service ESS portal option. Verify this attachment path. Make sure this path is pointing to the same physical directory of the setting we set in the backend. Here, setup option attachment need to be pointing to the same physical directory. Okay, done. Then go to add the entity. So I will add the database we created. So server, the database RM 6.433. Okay, so we can test portal. Portal is ready. Test database, connection ready. So we save. Okay, done. So we added the entity. Now we add the ESS group. The ESS group is used to create a template setting. So later on, we can use this setting to assign to the employees. Okay, so let's say NRM 006 group 1. Maybe manager group. So this one. So we activate the expenses, travel request, cash advance, and then for this manager we include the approve this. Okay, save. And we create another one. Okay, we add another one. Six, two. So for employee. So for employee, we don't need to include the approve list option. Of course, we can do those configuration. Let's say the UI setting, but now we leave it as it is now. Later we can fine tune based on the needs. Okay. Then we create the ESS users. So we don't have. So we add. So we add employee. Okay. Okay. So manager we create 2. Okay. User ID we based on employee number. So process. Done. So we created 2. Then we create some more. Okay, for the normal engineer, employee number, process. Okay, done. So we added this employee for now. Okay, so you can go and check the license. You can see there's an active user is 5 now because we added 5 for the web expenses and the advanced request. See for so you see these are the options. So of course the different requisition set we can still do some customization for each group of the employees. But for now we just do the basic setup, and now we have completed this setup. Then we can go and sign in 00, let's say 003. Okay, because of first time login, so it takes times to get the data. Okay, so here is just a warning message because I'm using the child license, so you ignore this one. So you can see now there's a for this employee they have the travel request icons here. Okay, so these are travel requests and cash advance expenses claim. So these are for normal staff, they don't have the approval items. And for the manager, okay, same. You see it has to approve this icon. The rest also same. So now we can start to experiment for this to create the travel request requisition and then the cash advance and expenses claim report. Okay.